What are options? Let's talk about it in 60 seconds. You can read the detailed description under the video. An option is an important trading instrument in the form of a contract that allows the holder to buy or sell the specified asset at a pre-agreed price for a certain period of time. There are many options divided into several main types. Options by type, which are call options or put options, options for the underlying asset, futures, stocks, commodities, and currencies, different style of options, European options, American options, and Asian options, options by type of settlement, an option with or without a payment of a premium, options for market circulation. The exercise price of the option is the price at which the underlying asset is bought or sold. Quoted options are those options that are traded on large exchanges, and the yield of an option is the profit received after exercising the option. The option premium is where the buyer pays a certain amount to the seller of the option. If you like the explanation, like and subscribe to the FIBO Group channel.